Welcome to all. I am Brinda. Ninth standard, part 1 video heat lesson. Introduction. All substances in our surroundings are made up of molecules. These molecules are generally at motion and possess a kinetic energy. At the same time, each molecule exerts a force of attraction on each other molecules, and so they possess a potential energy. The sum of kinetic energy and potential energy is called the internal energy of the molecules. The internal energy when flow out is called heat energy. This is energy is more hot substance and then cold substance and flow from hot substance to cold substance. In this lesson we'll study about how heat transfer takes place. Also you will study about the effect of heat capacity and change of state and latent heats. To the next topic is effect of heat. Expansion, change of state and then change in temperature, the chemical changes. First, expansion. When a heat is added to a substance, the molecule gain energy and vibrate and force other molecule apart. As a result, expansion take place. You would have seen some space being left in railway tracks. It is because during some time more heat causes expand in tracks. Expansion is greater than for liquid than solids and its maximum in gases. Change in state. When you heat ice cubes, they become water, and the water on further heating changes into vapor. So, solid becomes liquid and liquid becomes gas when a heat added. The reverse takes place when a heat is removed. The next, change in temperature. When heat energy is added to a substance, the kinetic energy of its particles increases, and so that the particles move higher speed. The causes rise temperature. Substance cool, heat removed. The molecule loss heat and then temperature fall. Chemical changes. Since heat is a form of energy, it play a major role of chemical changes. இது வந்து chemical changesல வந்து ஒரு important roleன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. In some causes, chemical reaction needed to heat to beginning. Also, heat determines speed. Some reactions occurs. When we cook first, we light wood and it catches fire and the food particles become soft because of heat energy. These are all the chemical changes taking place due to heat. Topic radiation. Radiation is a method of heat transfer that does not require particle to carry about the heat energy. In this method, heat is transferred in the form of waves from hot object in all direction. Radiation can occur even in vacuum vias. Conduction and convection need matter to be present. Radiation consists of electromagnetic waves traveling at the speed of light. Thus, radiation is the flow of heat from one place to another by means electromagnetic waves. Transfer of heat energy from the sun reaches us in the form of radiation. Radiation is emitted by all bodies above 0 K. Some objects observe radiation, some other object reflected them. Radiation in daily life. White or light colored cloth or cloth good reflector of heat. They keep us cool during summer. Base of cooking and still blackened because black surface absorb more heat from the surrounding. The surface of airplane is highly polished because it helps reflect most of the heat radiation from the sun. இப்போ நம்ம பார்த்த எல்லா டாப்பிக்கும் ரீகால் பண்ணிடலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம பார்த்தது வந்து இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன் பார்த்தோம். எஃபெக்ட் ஆஃப் ஹீட்னா என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம். ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆஃப் ஹீட்ஸில் கண்டக்ஷன் அண்ட் கன்வெக்ஷன் அதை பற்றிலாம் பார்த்தோம். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல். டாபிக் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆஃப் ஹீட். Heat does not stay where we put it. Hot things get colder and cold things get hotter. Heat is transferred from one place to another till that temperature become equal. Heat transfer take place and when heat energy flows from object with higher temperature to object when lower temperature. Heat transfer takes place in three ways: a conduction, and then convection, and then radiation. First one is conduction. In solid, molecules are closely arranged, so they cannot move freely. When one end of the solid is heated and the molecule at the end absorb heat energy and vibrate fast as their own positions. The molecules are collide இருந்துச்சுன்னா பக்கத்தில் இருக்க molecules vibrate faster, so energy is transferred. This process continued till all the molecules receive heat energy. Definition: the process of transfer of heat in solids from region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature without actual movement of molecule is called conduction. Conduction takes place when there temperature difference between the object. Metal are good conductor of heat. Heat is conducted if the area of the object is large. Liquid and gases also conduct heat very slowly. Conduction is a slow process. Conduction in daily life. Metals are good conductor of heat, so aluminium used for utilize good fast quickly. Mercury is used in thermometers. It is a good conductors of heat. Woolen cloth winter to keep warm. Air is a bad conductor, does not allow body to escape. அதை வந்து பாடியை வந்து வார்மாக வச்சுக்கும். The next topic, convection. In this activity, water molecules are at the bottom of the beaker, receive heat energy and move upwards and replace the molecules at the top. Same thing happens in the air also. When air is heated, the air molecules gain heat energy, allowing them to move further apart. Warm air being less dense than cold air will rise. Cooler air moves down to replace the air that has risen. It heats up, rise, and this again replaced by cooler air, creating a circular flow. Definition also: convection is the flow of heat through fluid from places higher temperature to places of lower temperature by movement of the fluids itself. Convection in daily life. Hot air balloons. Air molecules at the bottom of the balloon get heated by a heat source and rise. As the warm air rises, cold air pushed downwards and also heated. When the hot air is trapped inside the balloon, it breezes. During day life, the air in contact with the become hot and rises. Now the cool air over the surface sea replace it. It is called the sea breeze. During night time, air above the sea warmer. As the warmer air over the surface of the sea rises, cooler air above the land moves towards the sea. It is called the under breeze. Winds. Air flows from area of higher pressure to area of lower pressure. The warm air molecules over hot surface rise and create a low pressure. So cooler air higher pressure floats toward lower pressure area. This causes wind flow. Chimney. Tall chimney are kept a kitchen or industrial furnace. As the hot gases smoke lighter, the rise of